I want you to pay serious attention to this video because I will be pointing out the particular areas, topics that JAMB will set questions from in use of English. Of course, you know, use of English is compulsory. This one is not like your other three subjects, like things like maybe if you are science student, biology, physics, chemistry, mathematics, or if you are arts, things like economics, fine art, and all the rest. No, use of English is compulsory. Whether you are science or whether you are commercial or whether you are arts, you must jam use of English in your JAMB exam. So let us pay attention as I begin to give you the areas to focus on, the areas you must start looking at. Use of English is so crucial. It's not even something we are going to joke with, right? Okay, this exam coming to use of English is divided into three areas. The first is comprehension and summary. Just follow me. Follow me. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you a gift. I'll give you past questions and syllabus on use of English. I'll also give you syllabus and past questions on other subjects, the other three subjects we are writing. That's if you watch from now to the end. And I want you to be very serious, very intentional in your exam preparation. Because like I've said, every member of this channel must score at least 300 in the JAMB. And I want you to claim it. I want you to believe it and claim it. If you claim it, if you believe it, type under the comment and tell me you claim 300 and above, or you claim the exact score you are targeting, right? So I want you to see this extremely serious. Don't take the videos I upload day in, day out for you here for granted. So we are going to encounter comprehension and summary. It could be description, comprehension, it could be narration, it could be expository, it could be argumentation or persuasion. There will be two passages, right? There will be two passages of about 200 words. So question, they will now begin to ask you questions from the passage, right? Comprehension of the whole or part of each passage, comprehension of words, phrases, clauses, sentences, and figures of speech and idioms as used in the passage. So they will give you a passage which you will read, two passages. They will now begin to test how you understand the passage, how you are able to understand the phrase, the clause, and the sentences. I want to give you an assignment. The first assignment for you in this video is come under the comment and give me an example, the difference between phrases and clause. What is the main difference between a phrase and a clause? Tell me in the comment section, right? Then they will ask you, they will check your coherence and logical reasoning, deductions and inference, how you were able to reason based on the passage you read, right? Okay. Then after that, you will now go to Lexis and structure. Lexis and structure. This is very crucial. Remember, in our channel I've been doing past questions and answer on use of English. I've done a lot of past questions and answer on use of English. So if you watch this video from beginning to the end and you need me to give you the link free of charge of all the videos I've done on use of English, past questions, syllables, everything, expo questions on use of English, which you will meet, ask me to give you the link. Just tell me to give you the link on use of English. Okay, under Lexis and structure, you'll find things like synonyms, you'll find things like antonyms, you'll find things like homonyms, you'll find things like clause and sentence patterns. Now, some of you are hearing synonyms. Okay, some of you might know synonyms, you know antonyms, you know homonyms. I want you to go under the comment and tell me the meaning of the word homonyms. I won't tell you these things. Your exam is closed. I've taught you in this channel that anytime I am teaching or anytime you are reading and you encounter any word or any concept that is very strange to you, don't jump and pass. Some people read with what I call jump and pass reading. You'll find something you don't understand. You'll find the calculation that is difficult. You'll find a word you don't understand. And you do what? You jump and pass. You jump and pass and start reading the easier ones. if I were you, to score 300 and above, you need to concentrate on the most difficult areas. So go over the second assignment, go to the comment section and tell me the meaning of homonyms. You can also expatiate if you are in the spirit. Also tell me the meaning of synonyms, antonyms. These are very, very important. Then they will ask you questions on synonyms, they'll ask you questions on antonyms, they'll ask you questions on homonyms, they'll ask you questions on clause and sentence patterns. They'll ask you questions on word classes and their functions. Okay, very important. Word classes and their function. They'll ask you questions on mood, tense, aspect, number, agreement, that is concord. Okay, degree, positive, comparative, and superlative, like good, better, best, positive, comparative, and superlative, and question tags. These are certain areas. As I'm mentioning them, you could write them down or watch this video over and over again so that you already grasp what I'm saying and you lock yourself and begin to read. I've told you people, all of you following me, all of you that I've been speaking with, I said lock yourself up within these remaining few weeks. As I'm making this video, the day I'm making this video, we just have about 60 days to the exam. Lock yourself somewhere and study. Lock yourself in your room. Lock yourself. I mean, by locking yourself, I don't mean you should not be moving around, but I mean sit yourself down and read until you get 300 and above. I want you to be among those that will come to me with testimony telling me you have gotten admission to your preferred university. When others are crying, you will show me your JAMB result 300 and above. I want you to be one of them. Okay, then they will test you on punctuations and spelling. Sometimes they will give you words that have similar spelling and tell you to find out the correct spelling, right? Especially words that have double M, double X, things like that. Then ordinary usage, figurative usage, and idiomatic usage. They'll ask you questions on idioms. They could say the man kicked the bucket, then you now tell them what it actually means. Okay, now the third area to focus on is oral forms. Of course, they'll ask you questions on oral English. Okay, very important. Under it, they expect questions on vowels, monotongues, and diphthongs. The third assignment for you is come under the comment and tell me the difference between monotongues and diphthongs. Remember, you may think I'm stressing you, but I'm actually getting you ready for the exam. Don't jump past the assignment I'm giving you. In every video, I normally like giving you assignment. Don't say this man has come and you jump past. No. Pay attention. This may actually be the things you will encounter in the hall. Then you see things like consonants, things like rhymes, right? They'll give you a word and ask you to find the word that rhymes with it. They'll give you word stress, monosyllabic and polysyllabic. Then they can also give you questions on intonation. Questions on what? Intonation. These are very, very important areas. Okay. Now, the first comprehension will come with 5 questions. The second passage will come with 10 questions. Then the reading test, Lucky Headmaster, or the novel you'll be reading. JAMB will always recommend a novel every year. We also carry 10 questions, making it 15, right? So the passage, first passage, 5 questions, second passage, 10 questions. Then the Lucky Headmaster, the JAMB novel, is 10 questions. Recall also that I've done videos on Lucky Headmaster. If you need me to give you free of charge all the videos, I've done expo questions on Lucky Headmaster. I've done questions you could expect chapter by chapter on Lucky Headmaster. I've read the book chapter by chapter for you. If you need me to give, I will give them to you free, provided you are serious. If you are serious, you want me to give you the link to the videos we've done on Lucky Headmaster. Some of you say you read and you don't understand the book. Tell me, I've explained it for you. I've reviewed it for you. I've given you questions. I've looked at that book up, right, and center, every area, right? So I can give it to you. Just tell me, give me the link to the videos on Lucky Headmaster, and I'll freely give them to you. Sentence interpretation will be 5 questions. Antonyms will be 5 questions. Remember I told you, give me the difference between antonyms and synonyms. Synonyms will also be 5 questions, right? Okay. Then sentence completion. There, when they say choose the word that best completes this sentence, will be 10 questions. Are you following? Then oral forms will be 10 questions. Total will be 60 questions. Use of English is about 60 questions. Then the other ones will be 40 questions. That means you have 180 questions. 60 from use of English and 40 from the other 3 subjects, giving you a total of 180 questions. And guess how many minutes you have? You don't even have up to 1 minute to answer each question. You have only 40 seconds for each question. That is why you need to start reading, especially reading with past questions and syllables. To get the free past question, just do 4 things. Join our YouTube channel, very important. You can see a link, you see the option above this video of how to join. So quickly join Noble Tutorials YouTube channel. 2, like this video. Click on like this video, then share this video. When you click on share it on YouTube, then copy the link and share it on all the WhatsApp group. Share this particular video on all the WhatsApp group, Facebook group, Twitter, Snapchat, all these platforms. Share the link there. Then subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Very important. Click on subscribe. When you subscribe, turn on the notifications. Then type under the comment of this video, type I have subscribed. Type I have subscribed. If you attend to all the assignments I give and you have done these things I just said now, I will send those materials to you. So let's do that immediately. There's a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch it now.